Beijing, Russian leader Vladimir Putin was in the northeastern city of Habban on Friday, the final day of a visit aiming to promote crucial trade with China and win greater support for his war effort in Ukraine. Putin arrived on Thursday on his first trip abroad since his March re-election, meeting President Xi Jinping for talks in which the leaders framed their nation's ties as a stabilizing force in a chaotic world. Kurram, clashes on the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan escalated on Friday, prompting large-scale displacement from villages and settlements near the Karachi border crossing, as the Foreign Office said it had conveyed its deepest concerns on the situation to Kabul. Sporadic clashes that began earlier this week further escalated on Friday, with no casualties being feared as forces on both sides traded fire through the night. Cairo, Israeli forces launched a fresh assault on northern Gaza on Friday in some of the fiercest engagements since they returned to the area a week ago. While in the south Hamas fighters attacked tanks massing around Rafah, residents said Israeli armor had thrust as far as the market at the heart of Jabalia, the largest of Gaza's 8 historic refugee camps, and that bulldozers were demolishing homes and shops in the path of the advance. The US administration has appointed Pakistani-American Dr. Asif Mahmood as a member of the US Commission on International Religious Freedom, USCIRF. He is designated as the commission in USCIRF. He is named by US House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries to the key post. The longtime Democrat, Mahmood is the second Pakistani-American to have such a key role in any US administration. At the spot where a man tried to kill a prime minister, there is a bullet hole and a small bloodstain, faint traces of a giant movement that has shocked Slovakia deeply, but the gunman's target had seen this coming. A month earlier, Robert Fico, Slovakia's populist leader, was filmed predicting political tensions were so acute, a leading government politician would end up getting murdered. 3 Spanish tourists have been killed by gunmen in the central Afghanistan city of Bamiyan. The Spanish government says, Afghan officials said an Afghan national was also killed, while another 4 foreigners and 3 Afghans were injured. No group has said it carried out the attack, but Afghan Interior Ministry spokesman Abdul Mateen Kani said 4 people had been arrested.